The Grace floor lamp incorporates a simple tripod design. Its genuine wood legs and natural style create a warm, cozy ambience perfect for any home. Assembly of the Grace is quick and easy. To assemble the shade, first align the top of the shade with the small shade ring and affix it to all tabs. Next, secure the large shade ring to the bottom tabs, ensuring the center socket plate is facing upwards. Complete the shade assembly by pressing along the Velcro strip. To assemble the legs, fasten the bottom section leg pieces to the mid-section leg pieces. Then, connect the mid-section leg pieces to the top section leg pieces. Once assembled, attach the legs to the main body. Finally, fasten the shade to the top of the lamp body using the socket ring. The unique natural wood tripod design projects a soothing, peaceful aura that will enhance any room, while the lovely white shade softens and disperses light beautifully. Although crafted with a contemporary style, the Grace evokes a rustic, traditional look and blends the two styles into a unique and stunning piece. Place this eye-catching floor lamp in different settings, such as a bedroom, living room, office, study, den, entryway, or hallway. The warm glow emitted by the lamp will spruce up your home and make for a comfortable, relaxing environment.